Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this very easy, simple daytime smoky look. I mean, I don't really know what else to call it. It was super easy to do. I loved the way it turned out. So if you're someone who wants to do a smoky eye, but you have an office job and you can't do a full smoky eye, but you still want to do a little something, then this video is going to be perfect for you. So if you want to see how I got this really easy daytime smoky look, please keep on watching. Today we are trying out this LimeCrime Prelude exposed palette. I love LimeCrime's eyeshadow palettes. I have two of their other palettes and I have two of their highlighter palettes also. Formula with their stuff is so good, so I do have pretty high expectations for this. I got this at Marshall's. It was under $10, or it was $10. Let's say it was $10 because I can't remember currently right now, but look how pretty their packaging is. So nice. It is a little chunky, but I don't mind. I don't mind. They have a really nice mirror here, and then these are the shadows that you get. So pretty when I saw this. So I just wanted to try this out and let you guys know what I think. I think I'm gonna start off with the shadow right here, which is Abyss. And I'm just using this Nazmi Kavari BH Cosmetics number 6 brush. I've already primed my eyes with a little bit of MAC's Paint Pot and Laying Low. And I just wanted to see how this was gonna go on. So I'm just taking this purple shade right here and I'm focusing this on the outer edge. Just want to do something really simple, really quick, really easy. Look how pigmented this is. This is going on like butter. Look, like I'm barely doing anything. So once I deposit most of the color, I'm just going to gently buff it out a little bit. So you see? So I'm just gonna go in with a little more and just tap it right here. Just so it's a little closer. I probably should have used a smaller brush, but it's fine. So we're gonna stop right there and work on the other side. Okay, so now I'm gonna take that same brush, clean it off just a little bit. Also, there's no fallout. No fallout with one of the darkest shades in here. So now I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is Nude. And then let's just buff the edges of that purple and then bring it in a little bit. Oh, so pretty. So nice. Do you see how flawless this is blending? I mean, I always have such high expectations when I've used a brand's products before, but oh, these colors are doing it for me. I do want to try this pink right here. It's just a really nice baby cool tone frosted pink. This is the swatch. Why does this look white? It is pink. It looks white, but it is pink, I promise. Okay, so let's do a little bit right here. This is looking white. I promise it's pink. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little bit here. I just want it to be soft. So if you just take a little bit and you just kind of blend it in, it just makes it look like your eyes are just more open. So I'm just gonna stop right here. Do I need a little more? Oh, a little more here. Okay. So I like this. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this Morphe brush. It's just a really nice little brush. It doesn't have a name or anything on there. It came with the Sweetie set, that one. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here. This is a beautiful just a flip with blue, and I feel like it's gonna look so nice. Okay, so let's kind of do a little, just a little bit, and just pop this right here. Sometimes I go a little a little overboard with the inner tear duct, but I just want to do a little bit with just a pop of this blue. This is looking like a beautiful periwinkle in my inner tear duct. I'm just gonna do a little something on the lower lash line. I don't really want to do anything too crazy, honestly. Let me just take a nice little flat brush. I'm gonna go in with Nude and Abyss and just run this down here. This is all I'm gonna do down here. I love doing really simple, easy looks, and this looks like a perfect little daytime smoky look. And I feel like you guys saw it was little to no effort. I love effortless looks when you're just trying to, you know. So nice. Oh my gosh. Do you guys like it? Alright, so I'm just going to add a little bit of brown in my waterline. You can use brown, black, purple if you want. I'm using this Essence eyeliner or Eye Kohl in Teddy. This is what it looks like. It's about $3, I believe. I could be wrong, but it's such a pretty bronzy brown. Oh, and I dropped it on the floor. And if you want to do something a little smokier, like I said, you can go in with black. Let's do a little black on the outer portion. I haven't done black in a while. I just want to keep on the outer portion. And of course, if you want to do lashes, you can definitely do lashes. I'm just going to keep this really simple. You know, it's just a very easy daytime smoky eye. Okay, for my blush, my chair was squeaking, so I feel like I had to redo it. I went in with this OPB Born to Shine palette. I went in with Uplifting on my cheeks, and then I went in with Light and Keep Calm just to top it off because I didn't want to go in with highlighter. And I think mixing those two shades on top of it just gave you a really, really pretty natural glow. Do you see it? So pretty. So pretty. I do think I need to brighten up underneath my eyes a little bit. So I'm going to go in with my Dragon Beauty Transformation powder, and I'm going to go in with a little bit of this pink. And I'm just going to brighten because I was getting a little messy. And that cleaned it up really, really nice. So I'm going to go back in with that Prelude palette, and there's this really pretty gold right here. I'm going to take a tiny bit right here and just add this right here. Just a little bit. I don't really want to do much highlighter, but I figured I would try that gold, and that gold is pretty. So I'm going to go in with Morphe's Sugar Pie. I'm going to go with Fenty Beauty's Unbutton. Alright, so this is the final look. I loved the way this turned out. Like, loved the way this turned out. You guys can definitely do this little technique with any colors that you have. It was just, I just like this. I like this so much. It looks so pretty. I love smoky eyes. I do. But I really, really loved this palette. This, as soon as I saw it, besides wanting to get all of the LimeCrime palettes, when I saw this, I was just like, oh my gosh, this is going to be perfect for everyone. Everyone. The colors are so nice, so pretty. And when you look at the palette in person, you have to really look, but this is a soft pink, and then this blue, oh my god, it's so nice. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just hope you found it very helpful, and yeah, that's it. I just hope you enjoyed it. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.